Baby, your sister is here.
Wait, I'm cooking.
Baby's cooking. Please come in. Take a seat.
Alright, thank you.
Val, do you want to join?
Yes, can I join with them? Sure, join them. It's Leslie again. Why are you here? Freddy, can you please take care of me though? While I'm away. Why? Where are you going? I'm going to work abroad to support the both of us. You know, I'm a single mother now. Yes, of course. We need to support each other.
Why here?
Why not?
Baby, we have a son that we need to support.
No, I will support my daughter. I just need you to take care of her. Yeah, and it's the only thing that we can help her. So Annie, go. We can assure you that your daughter is safe and sound here. We understand you. Thank you, Freddy. Bye, Annie. Good luck and take care. Hi, Emmy. Why did you call? Why can't I reach my daughter? She's not answering my call. Val is in her room. Wait, I will call her. Val, your mom is calling.
Wait, I'm doing my schoolwork.
She says she's doing her homework. But Emmy, I noticed that both of you didn't talk that much. I guess there's a problem.
There are a lot of chores to be done. Come on, let's go. Let her be.
Yaya, come here. Let's play. Wait, Chantal, I'll just finish this first.
Emmy, let's have some coffee.
No, I can't. I'm with Chantal.
No, it's okay. Let's shuttle with us.
Emmy, don't worry. It will not take that long.
Alright, let's go. Ma'am?
Yes?
Can I go home to the Philippines for my daughter's birthday?
Didn't your contract will end next year? Why are you telling me this? And you know that it's Chantal's birthday too. It's a no for me, Emmy.
Val, it's your birthday, right?
Yes.
Do you have a party?
No, my mother won't be able to come to my party.
How would you spend your birthday?
We decided to eat outside and celebrate.
Okay, happy birthday, Val.
Okay. Let's go.